Welcome to the second lesson. In this lesson, we will get to know the different backpacks available on the market today. So when you come to pick a bag, you will know what to search for. Let's get started. As we saw in the previous lesson, there are different types of backpacks. We will discuss the three most common types. The suitcase backpacks are usually good for more easygoing traveling that doesn't include a lot of walking with the backpack on your back. Hiking backpacks that are good for hiking, camping, and so on. And the hybrid backpacks. These backpacks are designed to give you the benefits of the hiking backpacks as well as the suitcase backpack all together. Let's start by talking about the suitcase backpacks. These bags are very useful. Easy access to the cargo and comfortable operation made these bags popular among travelers who do not plan on performing hiking trails. Rail travelers, hostel travelers, and small day trips travelers are potential customers for this type of bag. The design of the suitcase bag is simple and basic. A central compartment with full access through a panel which closes with a zipper. The use of a zipper allows wrapping on set and also allows you to lock the backpack with a lock. Suitcase bags are not suitable for long walks with relatively large equipment, and certainly not for trips that include strenuous walk and climbing. Unlike the suitcase backpack, the hiking backpack is adapted to bear heavy weight and designed for walking along a rough terrain trails. It's relatively long and narrow, allowing a more stable walking. These backpacks allow more efficient volume utilization compared with the same volume as a suitcase backpack. It's also easy to add external accessories if needed. These backpacks are available in volumes starting from 50 liters to more than 90. For most men and uses, a volume of 65 to 70 liters is ideal. The ideal volume for a woman is 50 to 65 liters. The backpack structure is a cylindrical bag that narrows upwards. It is usually divided into two parts. The lower compartment, a third of the volume, with a separate access from the bottom, and the main compartment with an access from the top of the backpack. Between the two compartments is a barrier that can be opened when needed, so you can turn the backpack into one big compartment. Closing the top part in most backpacks is made by a top hat with a pocket that can contain quite a bit of equipment. The main compartment is usually closed with a shrinking sleeve. Sometimes the sleeve is designed to provide extra volume. The problem is that this addition raises the backpack height above the shoulders and by that lowers the stability big time. However, this additional volume may come handy when you temporarily need an extra volume. Some backpacks have side pockets for adding volume as well and improve distribution. The side pockets, though, enhance the volume and distribution of the equipment, they can interfere with the walking in narrow places and may influence the balance of the backpack, so make sure to balance the weight in the pockets. Even the difference of a single kilogram may impose an excessive burden on one of the sides of the body. Sometimes a small frontal approach of the backpack is added. That allows a very easy access to the cargo, but remember that any addition of zippers means more stitches, that means decreasing strength, as well as the potential penetration of rain. Let's talk about the reduction straps. To reduce the load from the zipper, reduction straps are added in most backpacks. They are designed to reduce any unused volume and to add external pockets. They can also be used for binding external equipment, or you can use any lash points for doing that. The last type of backpack we will talk about is the hybrid backpack. That is a backpack that tries to combine the best features of a suitcase backpack with the benefits of the hiking backpack. The classic design is similar to the hiking backpack, when the top is open using a zipper without a head cover. That way, you receive a comfortable backpack with easy access to the equipment. Because of the full access to the main compartment, you can compress in the same volume as a hiking backpack about 20% more equipment. It also means that your backpack will weigh more. This backpack is not recommended for those who need to carry a lot of equipment during challenging hiking. It is suitable for backpackers who travel with a backpack on their backs but take less equipment and doesn't plan to trek a lot. A word about backpacks for women. Most backpacks are designed by masculine physiques. Since the proportion of a woman's body is different than men's, today, many manufacturers offer a number of models for women as well. A woman backpack tends to be shorter and relatively narrow than the standard. The torso and the pelvic belt adjustments will give you a custom fit. A dynamic back panel and shoulder strap system that can be moved up or down and an extendable hip belt will all assure you the right compatibility to your body. On the next lesson, we will talk about accessories for backpacks. See you then!